For decades, the first answer to weight loss has always been the same: eat less, move more. But now powerful new medications like Wegovy are changing the game, helping people lose substantial body weight, often without intense dieting or exercise. So the big question is, should these drugs become the first line treatment for obesity, even before diet and exercise? Some say yes, it's time we treat obesity like a chronic disease, with real medical tools. Others argue no, that we're skipping over the most important part: lasting lifestyle change. In this video, we're breaking down both sides of the debate, the science, the ethics, and what this could mean for the future of weight loss. But first, as always, please take note of our disclaimer. To get us started, let's take a look at what supporters of using weight loss medication as a first-line treatment actually argue. First is that obesity isn't just about willpower or personal habits. It's increasingly recognized as a chronic disease influenced by biology in part. Hormones like ghrelin, leptin, and insulin, which regulate hunger, fullness, and fat storage, can become unbalanced, especially in long-term obesity. And while diet and exercise can help rebalance these systems, the body often pushes back by increasing hunger and slowing down metabolism, making weight loss extremely difficult. That's where medications like Wegovy come in. They act on those same hormonal pathways, reducing appetite, improving insulin response, and helping people move past internal barriers. Advocates argue that if we use insulin for diabetes or statins for cholesterol, it makes sense to use medical tools to treat obesity too. Then there's the question of effectiveness. Clinical trials have shown that medications like Wegovy can lead to an average of 15 to 20% body weight loss, far beyond what most achieve through lifestyle changes alone. By comparison, diet and exercise typically result in 5 to 10% weight loss over 6 months to a year, even with consistent effort. While that 5 to 10% may sound modest, it brings real health benefits: better blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and lower risk of chronic diseases. But maintaining it is tough. Plateaus in weight regain are common. Medications help people move past these sticking points, and real-world evidence shows that early success often boosts motivation, making healthy habits easier to maintain long-term. Another key argument is timing. Waiting for lifestyle changes to fail before offering medication can delay treatment, and that delay can worsen related conditions like type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, and heart disease. Advocates say we don't wait for someone's blood pressure to become life-threatening before treating it. Why wait with obesity? Then there's a practical side. Not everyone can succeed with lifestyle changes alone. Time, education, access to healthy food, safe places to move, and mental health support all matter, and many people simply don't have those things. For someone dealing with food insecurity, chronic stress, or demanding work, medication might be the most realistic first step. In that sense, it helps level the playing field. Supporters also say medication can make lifestyle changes easier. As people lose weight and feel better, it often becomes more doable to eat healthier or be active. Rather than a replacement, medication acts as a catalyst for sustainable change. Finally, there's the emotional and social impact. Telling people to just eat less and move more has fueled shame and stigma. Offering medication early sends a different message: that obesity is a real medical condition, not a personal failure. That shift can reduce guilt, encourage more people to seek help, and normalize treatment. On a quick side note, if you would like assistance with maintaining your weight as well as losing it, why not undertake our evidence-based and results-backed personalized Plato weight management program? If interested, please click the link in the top right-hand corner of the video or follow the link in the description. However, many people strongly oppose the idea of using medication as a first-line treatment for weight management. For one, weight loss does not automatically equal health. Yes, medications like Wegovy can help people lose weight, but that doesn't necessarily make someone healthier if they're still sedentary, undernourished, or metabolically unbalanced. Exercise alone offers powerful benefits, improving heart health, mental well-being, bone density, and insulin sensitivity, regardless of weight loss. The same goes for diet. It's not just about cutting calories. What we eat influences inflammation, gut health, immunity, and disease risk. If we rely only on medication, we risk missing out on the whole body benefits of truly healthy living. Then there's the issue of long-term safety. These drugs are relatively new, and while short-term results are promising, we do not know yet the full effects of taking them for years or even decades. Some users report nausea, vomiting, muscle loss, and digestive issues. And there are still open questions around rare but serious risks, like thyroid tumors seen in animal studies. If millions start taking these medications as a first-line approach, we're entering uncharted territory, and for some that's a major red flag. Another concern is dependency. If someone loses weight through medication alone without changing their habits, there's a high chance of regaining weight once the drug is stopped. In that case, we're not solving the root issue, we're just managing the symptom. Critics fear this could lead to lifelong medication use rather than empowering people to build habits that sustain themselves. Cost and access are also major issues. In the US, Wegovy can cost between $1,300 and $1,500 per month without insurance, making it out of reach for many. While some insurance plans offer coverage, it varies widely. In Europe, Wegovy is much cheaper, around €200 to €300 per month, and in countries with public healthcare, it may be available through national programs for those with severe obesity. If these drugs become the default, we risk creating a two-tier system, where wealthier or better insured patients access treatment, while lower-income individuals are left behind. These medications aren't just expensive, they're also not yet scalable in a way that fits broad public health goals. There's also concern about the message we send. If we over-medicalize obesity, it may imply that personal effort no longer matters, that lifestyle change is optional. This could lead to reduced motivation, less engagement in physical activity or nutrition, and a weaker public focus on behavior change, which is critical for long-term success. Finally, the important point, not everyone with excess weight needs medication. People with mild obesity or those who are overweight often see significant health improvements through lifestyle change alone. Critics worry about overprescribing, leading to unnecessary dependency in cases where diet and exercise might have worked. So, after looking at both sides, the excitement around new weight loss medications and the valid concerns about their role, here's where we land. Yes, medications like Wegovy are a major breakthrough. They offer real hope for people who've struggled for years, especially those with serious health risks. But that doesn't mean they should replace diet and exercise, or be the first option for everyone. The truth is, for many people facing weight-related health risks who've struggled for years without success, it's not a matter of medication versus lifestyle. It's about how the two can work together. Some people may benefit from early medical treatment, especially if past lifestyle changes haven't worked. Others may succeed with behavior change alone, and for many, the best results will come from combining both approaches. Instead of asking what should come first, we should ask, what does this person actually need? That's how we move forward, not just in treating obesity, but in caring for people as whole individuals. But what side of the aisle do you land on? For, against, or somewhere in the middle? We'd love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Additionally, if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So, that has been our video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.